that passenger can alight and board trains conveniently, maintaining the social distancing.
कृपया अधिकृत सीट पर ही बैठें.
Please sit only on permitted seats.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Limited hours of operation, mandatory face masks, new announcements and cashless transactions. Delhi Metro is all set to restart from 7 September under travel protocols introduced in the wake of coronavirus. The operations will resume in a graded manner after almost 6 months. In the first phase, from 7 to 10 September, the Yellow Line and the Gurugram Rapid Metro will be open for passengers from 7 am to 11 am and then from 4 pm to 8 pm. The same pattern will be followed by the Blue Line and the Pink Line on 9 September. From 10 September, the metro will also resume services for the red, green and violet lines. The entry and exit gates of the metro at containment zones will remain shut and the waiting time will increase to 5 to 7 minutes as trains will be sanitized at turnaround points. The Print visited Rajiv Chowk Gate number 7 to witness the changes introduced at the station and inside of the metro.
We are at Rajiv Chowk. The once overcrowded metro station now wears a deserted look since the lockdown was imposed due to coronavirus in the month of March. The Ministry of Home Affairs on 29th of August allowed the resumption of metro services from September 7 in a graded manner, and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs introduced a number of SOPs or standard operation procedures in order to ensure smooth operations of the metro services for the commuters in Delhi. The Print will now introduce you to the new avatar of Delhi metros and walk you through the entire procedure of how the services will resume while keeping in mind safety norms.
A range of features have been introduced to ensure passenger safety. Initially, the entry and exit of the passengers will be permitted only through 2 identified gates at each station. At the entry point of Rajiv Chowk, contactless auto-thermal screening cum hand sanitization machines have been installed. Passengers are required to place their face against the machine, which will then automatically register body temperature. Once cleared, the next step includes the use of hand sanitizer from the dispenser. Only asymptomatic passengers will be allowed to pass, and those having even mild symptoms of COVID will be stopped from entering the metro stations. Authorities have also set up a baggage sanitation point few meters away from the entry point. This is where passenger bags will be sanitized before being sent into the scanner. For passengers' security check, the metal detectors have been attached with a long stick to maintain enough distance between the passengers and the personnel. Further in, one can hear the change in the metro announcements. Messages related to COVID and special instructions to maintain social distance are heard from the speaker of the station.
Please sit only on permitted seats.
Red tapes on the floor have been marked at a distance of 1 meter to manage the crowd. Commuters waiting at the station to board the train will be strictly monitored to maintain social distance, while those waiting to deboard will also be monitored. Security staff and the sanitation workers will be called back to work in full capacity. The security personnel deployed at the stations will come under the security department, and according to officials, the sanitation workers have been given proper training and equipment to carry out daily sanitation tasks. Unlike regular days, this time tokens will not be permitted for travelling to prevent the transmission of virus. Only smart card holders will be allowed to travel. The authorities tell the Print that passengers can recharge their smart cards via Paytm or through simple digital banking methods. On ticketing vending machines, the recharge will happen through cashless mode only. The metro fares will remain the same.
I'm stepping inside a metro train after 6 months and the story has completely changed. While I entered, there were several sanitation workers deployed who have been asked to regularly sanitize the windows, the seats, the railings, the handles and the floors of the metro train. The announcements, on the other hand, have also completely changed and passengers will now be asked to maintain social distance, wear masks and sanitize their hands regularly. The seating arrangements have also been changed. There are markings on the seats and the alternate seats have to be left vacant in order to maintain social distance.
Regular cleaning of metro stations will also be ensured. The concourse, passages, platforms, and stairs will be cleaned every 4 hours. All human contact areas like the lift and escalator will be disinfected too. A new method to use the lifts has also been introduced. Passengers are required to push the pedal installed outside to call the lift.
The metro doors will remain open at the station for longer duration now, so that the passengers can deboard and board the metros conveniently while keeping in mind the social distancing norms. However, we are yet to see how metro operations work in the coming days, and will it be successful with the rising coronavirus cases in Delhi. For The Print, this is Urjita Bharadwaj with Manisha Mandal.